Have you ever thought about the things you would do differently if you could start your business over again? Well, 12 years later, I still have those thoughts from time to time. And one of the things that I would do differently is I would quit following the marketing advice from this expert and that guru and this person that I may have seen on social media. And I would give myself more credit. Here's the reason why. I was going along in my business, attracting clients from all over the globe on LinkedIn using one strategy, which was posting different opinions and advice in 10 groups twice a week. And I was getting clients. And I started following an expert online because I was new at the time. And they said, go all in on Facebook and do Facebook ads. So I shifted my strategy. Then, when Instagram came along, there was another expert that said, oh, you should be on Instagram. So I shifted my strategy again. So, if I could tell my past entrepreneur self anything, right? If I could start again, I would say your gut, your opinion, your thought process, your experiences are enough for you to start and grow your business. Sometimes you have to shut out the noise and do what you think is best. Now, am I saying that you should not seek counsel, coaching, or consulting when you need it? Not at all, because that helps expedite your growth process, right? But what I am saying is stick with one strategy, evaluate that strategy after 3 months, and then see if you need it to continue down that road or if you need to maybe make some tweaks. But don't follow expert after expert, guru after guru, especially when you're getting started and you have a gut instinct of some sort. So, I hope that little one piece of advice serves you well because we all have those moments where if we could do things over, we would. I certainly have them, especially about time management and setting priorities, as well as constantly shifting gears. So, if you are wanting some marketing advice, I strongly suggest, especially as we go into these next couple of months, go check out my YouTube video on copywriting because that's one of the overlooked pieces of marketing that I see brand new entrepreneurs and small business owners not taking into consideration. So I have a video that is pretty new on how to integrate the 4P formula into your sales pages and your social media content that will almost immediately increase conversions. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the success on your entrepreneurial journey that your heart and hand and head can hope.